Ladies and gentlemen, today we're diving into the exciting world of brand strategists. Whether you're looking to hire the best talent for your organization or you're considering a career in this dynamic field, we've got you covered. So, what is a brand strategist? It's the creative genius behind a company's brand identity and messaging. They're the ones who make sure a brand stands out from the crowd and stays true to its core values. And why do companies need them? Well, a strong brand strategy can make or break a business in today's competitive market. Now let's talk about the different settings where brand strategists can work. They can be in-house experts, part of an agency team, freelancers, or even work for nonprofit organizations. Each setting has its perks and challenges, but one thing's for sure. Brand strategists play a vital role in shaping a company's image. But what about the impact of brand strategists on diversity and social impact? Well, they can promote diversity and inclusion through inclusive brand strategies, create socially responsible brand messages, and showcase case studies that highlight their successes. Talk about making a difference. Now let's say you're hiring a brand strategist. What should you ask them during an interview? Some examples include, how do you develop a unique and compelling brand story? How do you measure the success of a brand strategy? Can you share an example of a rebranding project you've worked on? Of course, there's more to it than just asking questions. Consider their experience, cultural fit, and any concerns they may have. So, what are the benefits of a career as a brand strategist? For starters, there are plenty of career growth opportunities, job stability, and competitive salaries. In fact, a 2023 survey in European countries found that the average salary for a brand strategist ranged from €50,000 to €70,000 per year. Ready to dive into the job market? Follow these tips. Develop a strong portfolio showcasing your brand strategy projects. Attend networking events and join professional groups. Leverage social media platforms like LinkedIn to connect with professionals in your industry. Now, for recruiters looking to hire the best brand strategist talent, here's what you need to do. Utilize targeted searches on professional networking sites. Craft effective job postings that highlight your company's commitment to diversity and inclusion. Offer comprehensive onboarding programs and ongoing training opportunities. And finally, let's address some frequently asked questions. What qualifications are needed to become a brand strategist? A bachelor's degree in marketing, communications, or a related field is typically required. How can you build a strong portfolio as a brand strategist? Showcase your best work, including case studies that demonstrate your ability to develop and execute successful brand strategies. What's the difference between a brand strategist and a marketing strategist? While both roles can overlap, a brand strategist focuses on developing a cohesive brand identity, whereas a marketing strategist focuses on creating and executing marketing plans. Well, there you have it, a complete overview of the exciting world of brand strategists. Whether you're an aspiring brand strategist, a recruiter, or just curious about the field, we hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. So go on and make your mark in the world of branding. The opportunities are endless.